The reason why I chose LUMA is because the location's convenient, close to family and friends, and I'm a St Albans girl. What I really like about the Usoin compared to the other plan is it's got the 3 level. It's spacious, the facade I loved, and I love the low maintenance garden. The appliance has been included for you. The colour scheme is beautiful, and once it's finished, you're just ready to move in. You don't need to do anything else. The reason why I chose North Sunshine is because it's convenient, it's close to my friends and family, and lots of restaurants. When I move in, this will be our new whole estate. So all the neighbouring houses will be new as well, so it will be very exciting. LUMA will be our home with my 2 kids and my husband. The reason why we chose LUMA is because it's part of a Development Victoria project. So I would trust that it will be completed in a timely manner, and we will be confident with the quality and the outcome.